Tribe, you have to understand what I just did. I just exposed how easily manifesting is for you. They're after me. I thought I was gonna make it home, but no. You gotta understand the 1-1-1 manifestation technique. They're not stopping until they can stop me from giving you the truth. And the truth is manifestation is instant. They're never gonna stop me, tribe. They're never gonna stop the champ. They're not gonna catch me. Never. I said never. Ah!
Tribe, are you here? I'm not too sure what's going on right now. But if I'm dead, tribe, heaven sure looks like northern Thailand. If this is my higher self, I want to give you some words of manifesting wisdom to change your life, what you need to know to make miracles happen today. So listen very, very closely. When we talk about manifesting, it's one time, that's it. And that's exactly why you don't trust it, my friends. You hear something that simple, and your first reaction is to add more to it. You think you need to repeat your desire over and over again. Think about it all day long, or keep going back to it to make sure it's working. And that's where you lose it. That's where the contradiction begins, my friends. Listen, you say what you want one time, once. And then instead of leaving it alone, you keep going back to your life and checking if anything changed. Checking for an update. Looking out your window and checking to see if that dream car showed up. You look at your situation, your money, your results, and you use that to decide if manifesting is working. And that's the mistake. The moment you go back and check it, you're saying it's not done. And now you're right back where you started. You're right back in your old self, your old identity. Listen, this isn't about doing more. It's about not interfering after you already did it. And that's the part you keep overlooking, my friends. The version of you who already has it doesn't go back and check. The most successful version of you says what they want and they leave it alone because they're confident in it's coming to them. They don't sit there wondering if it worked. They already decided it worked. And it doesn't stop there. Once it's decided, the most successful version of you moves on. Now, where's my shoe? Tribe.